the tree lane from the movie, at the lake from the movie, the house from the movie. How the Von Trapp children climbed any of these trees is completely beyond me. None of the branches are low enough.
Going on 17, I know that I'm naive. Fellows I meet may tell me I'm sweet, and willingly I believe.
Hey, pigeons!
You know the notes to sing. You can sing most anything. A doe, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, a note to follow, so tea, a drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to.
These are the Do Re Mi steps. For some reason, they're close to the public, so this is about to happen.
So long,
There's this freaking weird picture person that like left and then they came back like they were thinking that I was gonna go break into the Do Re Mi steps.
So long, farewell, I'll be there saying goodnight.
I hate to go and leave this pretty sign.
So long, farewell, I'll be there saying goodbye.
I leave and heave a sigh and say goodbye.